In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Now use this switcher next to auto brightness, available under brightness slider, to turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip, you can also go into tab menu and operate auto brightness much faster by clicking on this icon of an eye located on the right of brightness slider. When it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!